Hello folks. Now before we get started with No More Excuses, let me explain my bonus bundle that you receive with this product. Bonus number 1 is Affiliate Marketing Made Easy, and it shows you the trends in affiliate marketing and how to outsell other affiliates. Bonus number 2 is a way to access our full-length 28 videos from our executive series. And each video is professionally designed and includes an introduction, a content roadmap, and discussion points. Bonus number 3 is Man Up Men, Take Care of Yourself PLR bundle. Now this is a good PLR bundle that links with this particular No More Excuses product. It's a deep dive into why men have difficulty living a balanced lifestyle and what they can do about it. And it includes a 15K ebook, 48 man-up tips, references, 10 articles, free images, 3 infographics and 4 posters, checklists, email follow-up, and not only that, it has 6 bonuses that add to these 5 bonuses. Bonus number 4 is the Changing Workplace and How Leaders Influence Change PLR package, and it provides the practical strategies and constructive approaches and ways to engage people to make positive changes. And bonus number 5 provides several children's dinosaur ebooks and coloring books, and they're designed to keep the little ones busy, and you receive unrestricted PLR rights with this bundle. Now the vendors of No More Excuses are Shu Shan and Kelly Lee, and they're 2 prolific creators and vendors in personal development and self-help niches. They have over 33,600 sales just on Warrior Plus platform, and I highly recommend their products and services. In a nutshell, No More Excuses guides those who want to overcome the limitations holding them back from achieving their full potential in all areas of life. Now, this is a PLR package designed for you or your customers. Now, here's some things you should know about this product. It's a 100% done for you package. It is in a hot niche that people want. It has fully integrated sales funnel with push-button sales material. You can claim it as your own. After all, it's PLR. And you can use it for your ebook, articles, and blogs, or just sell it as it is. Now, if you or your customers want to develop self-discipline and achieve personal and professional goals, embrace a growth mindset, overcome fear, procrastination, and self-doubt, cultivate resilience, and come back strong after setbacks. You can achieve a balance in all areas of life. And if you want to live a life of purpose, power, and personal success, or inspire others by being an example of what is possible with hard work and determination, or just break through or break free from excuses, then you should seriously consider this product. Be interested in this product of No More Excuses are business owners who want a slice of the $20 billion industry, self-help coaches who are hungry for new content for their blog or website, anyone who wants to leverage this PLR to set foot in that lucrative niche instantly, that self-help niche, and anyone who is interested in self-improvement and personal discovery regardless of age, sex, profession, or ethnicity. Now the sales funnel looks like this. The front end is only for $13.95 and it goes to $19.95, and it increases as sales come in. So the front end product, you receive the quality ebook, a complete checklist, a comprehensive mind map, high converting sales page, a thank you page, video sales letter, exclusive lead magnet, professional landing pages, follow-up email swipes, stunning graphics pack, license certificates, and over and above my bonuses, you also receive fast action bonuses, which is a PLR powerhouse, a sales funnel hacks, and an unannounced bonus. Now, you have to get in early in order to achieve those bonuses. OTO1 is a $47, and it is a pro upgrade. And with that pro upgrade, you receive quality videos, high converting sales page, professional video sales letter, professional sides and all videos, complete video transcripts, MP3 audio files, and exclusive PLRs to pro upgrade. And you also receive other bonuses. Bonus number 2 is a $97 special PLR bundle package, where you will receive PLR packages from the full front-end products and pro upgrades. And these are related to 4 best-selling PLR packages in one special offer. OTO3 is $77 to $147, and it's a done-for-you installation service, depending on what it is that you want. And you can receive a membership fee for OTO4, which is $27 a month, or $197 VIP membership. And that gets you into the Abundance Print VIP membership member area. Now, if you need to know more, click that second link below and get the full story. And don't forget my bonus bundle. The Affiliate Marketing Made Easy, access to full-length 28 videos from our executive series, the Man Up, Men Take Care of Yourself PLR bundle, complementing this particular product, and you receive 6 more bonuses with this product. So the bonus number 4 is the Changing Workplace, How Leaders Influence Change PLR package, and the unrestricted PLR rights for several children's dinosaur books and coloring books. Plus, you receive the fast action bonuses with this product. Now, that's a total of about 14 or more bonuses just with this package. Now, thank you for listening, folks. We'll see you next time.